So hello dope people, today we have this Benelli Leoncino 250 with us, which is called as a Lion Cub. You can see the symbol over here. So today we'll be looking out the three things of this bike. One, will be doing the short city ride mileage test, and we'll be doing like a city acceleration test and a braking test, and this looking at the specification of this bike. So first what we'll be doing is this bike is fueled empty and it's completely empty. We'll be filling out a 1 liter of petrol with this, and we'll be doing a mileage test first. Thing is, I'll be having this 1 liter of petrol with me, and I'll be filling out fuel with this. So this tank capacity is around like 12.5 liters, and we have fueled with 1 liter of petrol, you can see. Wow. This doesn't feel like a 250 bike. Really, the power and the exhaust note, it's like a different feel. Once if you ride it, you can just feel the difference. It's not like a 250 bike. Yeah. Wow. You can just hear the exhaust note. Also performs really well. It's a dual channel ABS system. You can see the RPM rise here. In traffic it's very easy to ride. You can just cruise around. In traffic also it's very easy to ride. You can just move around with this bike. Can just see, if I leave the clutch, it's pumping out. The bike is pumping out really well. The power is really well, man. Good. The power is really good in this bike. You can see the brake. Wow. It's just pulling me, man. Wow, the braking is really good in this. We'll just have a quick walk around in this bike. So this is the Benelli Leoncino 250. You can see the Lion Cub. It's so cute, right? So I'll call this as a mini Lion Cub, and there is a Leoncino 500 also, and this is 250, the Lion Cub's younger brother, and that is a elder brother. So we'll be looking out the exhaust note of this bike first. Okay, it's taking some time. You can see dual barrel exhaust. Tank capacity is around like 12.5 liters, and this quality is really good, man. You can see this is the metal part and this is the fiber part. It's metal, and this is all the metals, and the quality is really good, and you don't feel much of heat here, and here also you don't feel much of heat. By 249cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine, which produces around like 25.8 HP at 9250 rpm and 21 Nm at 8000 rpm. You can see the headlamps, man. It's really good. You can see the headlamps, and this is newly designed. You can see the Leoncino Benelli, the symbol in this. And this is a normal, and this is the high wheel light. And this is the pass light for this bike. You can just switch it on, switch it off, and that is the indicators for a city ride now. And the seating position is really good. You can see the comfortable, and the view is also good. The riding position is also good in this. The gearing system and the foot pegs are really good. The pillion comfortability of this bike, and there is no any support for a pillion. There is no any support for pillion. You can see here. Just have to hold the person who's riding, can see how it feels. Okay, take a ride on this bike. And this is also an adjustable brake, and there is no adjustable clutch for this. You can see the brake performs really good, and this is an ABS. We'll do a small bit acceleration in this. So we can check out the suspension here. You can see, wow, the suspension is really good in this bike. Is also, and the riding posture is also really good, and it's comfortable and will be comfortable in a highway also. You can just see an example of Indian roads, and this bike braking is really good, man. You suddenly find any paddles and someone coming in your front, you can just hold it down the brakes. You can just adjust it according to your needs. Wow, and it's just pumping out the full power in it. It is purely a Lion Cub. It performs really well. And Benelli is just impressing me with this bike, the Imperiale 400 and this Leoncino 500 and this 250. It's really great to ride this bike. Looking, and it meets, and I feel that his bike is started to jerk, which means the fuel is empty. Okay, there is the fuel is empty, and okay, and I've rode around like around 27.5 something, and this bike gave around like 27 kilometers per liter for 1 liter of petrol. And this is really a good, because for this 250cc bike we can expect that sort of mileage, and in highway maybe it will be giving around like 35 kilometer mileage. And I love this bike, man, and see you all in the next vlog. Until bye from the Dove.